Meaning of Guyana.
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 Guyana. Guyana is a country located on the northern coast of South America. The name Guyana is derived from an indigenous Amerindian word meaning land of many waters, which refers to the numerous rivers and waterways that flow through the region. Guyana is known for its diverse ecosystem, including rainforests, wetlands, and savannas, as well as its rich cultural heritage. The country has a unique blend of Caribbean, Latin American, and South Asian influences, and is home to a vibrant mix of ethnic groups, including Indo-Guyanese, Afro-Guyanese, and indigenous peoples.